The Secret Service has dismantled a telecommunications threat right here in the New York State tri-state area.
All right, we're breaking it down this morning with Good Day Wake Up anchor Dan Bones. What do you know so far?
Well, Rosanna and Kurt, some security experts are saying they've never seen a network as extensive as this before. And this morning, the Secret Service revealing a major security bust right here in New York, a covert network of devices capable of shutting down cell service right as the UN General Assembly is underway. Unclear if those two things are connected, but it is a possibility. And we have brand new images into our newsroom this morning. These are the devices federal agents say could have disabled cell towers and essentially shut down the cellular network in New York City. That's worth repeating. Federal agents this morning announcing they located multiple devices capable of shutting down cell service in the city. Massive implications, of course. Here are the details as we know them. Inside several locations, agents found thousands of networked cellular devices. That's how they describe them, concentrated within 35 miles of the UN General Assembly, of course, now underway here in New York. President Trump in the city this morning. Officials say the system allowed anonymous, encrypted communications between criminal and foreign actors and could have caused massive disruption to government and emergency communications. Some experts say this network could have sent as many as 1 million text messages a minute, potentially disrupting all kinds of issues here. The special agent in charge of the Secret Service New York field actually put out a video just a few minutes ago, and take a look at what he says here.
This network had the potential to disable cell phone towers and essentially shut down the cellular network in New York City. These devices were concentrated within 35 miles of the global meeting of the United Nations General Assembly, now underway in New York City. Given the timing, location, and proximity, and potential for significant disruptions to the New York telecom system, we moved quickly to disrupt this network.
And again, that is the special agent in charge of the New York field office of the Secret Service. So how did this all start? The Secret Service says the investigation actually began in the spring, so a couple months ago, after what they described as imminent telecommunications threats were directed at senior U.S. officials. Well, with the help from federal, state, and local partners, including the NYPD, the network was traced to the tri-state area. A forensic examination of data equivalent to about 100,000 cell phones now underway. What does that mean? It means they're taking a look at 100,000 cell phones, trying to get to the bottom of this thing. The early analysis showing links between foreign networks and individuals already known to federal law enforcement. Now, at this point, we want to emphasize no arrests have been announced. Possible they could have happened, not yet been made public. The agency calls this an open and active investigation. Again, just to recap, because I know it's a lot of information that we're giving you here. The Secret Service dismantled a massive hidden telecom network near the United Nations, near New York City, that could have crippled New York cell service. And now investigators are racing to find out who built it and then why they built it. Kurt and Rosanna, back over to you.